Hi my darlings, today I have a wonderful recipe for you. Today we're going to be making these ultra soft and fluffy donuts. So easy to make, only 2 ingredients. We will need about 150 grams of yogurt and a cup of flour. Now I'm telling you guys, this recipe is so easy, it's only calling for 2 ingredients. As I have here is my flour and yogurt, and you're just going to stir that through. Now keep going, it's going to get a little bit stiffer, but you just want to mix the 2 together until you form this soft, sticky dough. Keep on mixing and kneading that. A spatula is really helpful. You will find the dough is fairly sticky, and at this point the dough is ready. So mix the 2 ingredients well and stir that all the way around. Now to prepare, we need a piping bag. Now I have a piping bag here, and if you prefer, you can oil it very slightly on the insides, because we want the dough mixture to flow through quite easily. So place your mixture inside, fill the piping bag and secure it well at the back. So twist it all the way up to the top so it's securing the dough there nicely. So now that we have the dough ready, you want to warm some oil in a pan. Now I'm using a heavy pan that is a non-stick. Now what you want to do is start piping your dough mixture into the hot oil. Be careful here now, but what I'm doing here, I'm actually pushing all the mixture through and cutting it very quickly with a knife. It makes the job so much easier. So give that a go and then allow that to sizzle. Now you will find when you place the dough mixture into the pan, it might sink a little bit below the oil, and that's absolutely fine. Give it a moment and it will rise back up and start to fry. Give that a good stir all the way around. So keep stirring occasionally. Now you don't really want to leave the dough. Keep a good eye on it because these cook in no time. You are looking for very fine bubbles to surround each donut. Now this is when your donut is frying well. Now you want them to cook evenly, so give them a little stir occasionally and don't leave these precious donuts alone until they reach this beautiful golden colour. They don't take very long. You're looking between anything between 4 to 7 minutes, and then you should get this gorgeous golden colour and you see this lovely crispy skin. Now these lovely donuts are ready. They are golden brown, and have a paper towel ready to drain the oil. Now the important part is making your sugar mixture. I have some sugar and some cinnamon here, and I'm just going to mix the 2 together. Stir that very well. This is going to add a beautiful flavour to your donuts. This is my recipe for a simple, quick and easy to make 2 ingredient donuts. Now whatever coating you apply to the donuts, this will be adding the flavour. And here I have tossed my donuts in a sugar and cinnamon mixture. I also have another recipe, a very special glamorous recipe for you. Now that recipe will be coming up in the next video. So here you can see how well coated the donuts are in that gorgeous spicy sugar and cinnamon mix. Just look how soft, bouncy and delicious these are. Honestly guys, you are going to be thanking me. These are super easy. It's soft, spongy, and you have that crispy coating on the outside, and they're coated with that sugar and cinnamon. Now I have another recipe coming up for you guys, a very special glamorous recipe, and that's going to call for spices and rose petals. So stay tuned. Here's a little preview. Here are my beautiful mini donuts. Only 2 ingredients, guys, and you definitely have these ingredients at home. You have flour, you have yogurt, and that's all you need for this wonderful recipe. They just look so beautiful. They're absolutely tasty. Now, for more recipes, please subscribe and like and definitely share this video.